Hello folks, well we are back on the roof and remodeling this old house. Started on the roof a while back and realized I had a bunch of termite damage right up in that area right there, and there was an old bathroom there, and so I had to tear all that out and get that fixed before I put a new roof down. It'd be good to know if the roof itself was rotted out. Okay, so tore all that out, poured concrete, and just about got done with the bathroom. And now I've got to build a water heater closet right over there in that corner. And the other thing is, I want to extend this roof out and build a back porch, because all that water comes down and runs right out there by the back door. And so it's been like that ever since I've lived here for 50 years. And I've had enough of it. Now I've totally replaced all the plumbing on this whole entire house. You can see where I've stopped up and gone through the wall. Okay, and there's still a bunch of the old plumbing I have to cut loose and just do away with. And I want to build a deck or either pour concrete out here. But I've got a grease trap there I have to consider. I may just put in a new one, I don't know. But for right now, we're going to get the porch built. It's going to be a long project. I'll be working on it for a while. And hopefully for too hard a winter gets here, I can at least have the roof up and have the water heater closet framed in. And then maybe in the springtime come back and build a deck or whatever I'm going to do there. So, we'll do a little time-lapse video and whatnot, and maybe y'all will find it kind of interesting. But anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. Right now, I'm going to dig a hole right down here that's going to represent where my metal poles are going to be concreted in. And I'm going to run a string line up in the air that represents where the top header is going to be. And I want to get my poles concreted in and my top header before I start tearing off the old porch, because if I tear off that old porch, I'm going to get water all over everything over there. So this creosoted pole we're going to be putting in will just be temporary, and then once the roof is up, then we'll take that pole out. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Alrighty folks, we got all 4 poles built. So I got to figure out the length, and may or may not cut them all off even. They don't have to be even because they're going to be down in the ground. Some of them I might want a little longer than others because the ground back there is not completely level, so some poles may need to be a little bit longer. But anyway, we got them built. So we got the beam made that goes up on top of the poles. And these boards right here, they'll be the boards that are going to go up on the edge of the roof that the porch will attach to. So all we got to do is wait, let these dry real good. We'll get them up on top of the poles and up on the house. Hello folks. Well, we got the double header or the double beam. I got that up yesterday, and I got the board, the new board on the edge of the roof that the porch is going to attach to. Got that one up. I didn't videotape it because it was raining, and I didn't want to put my telephone out here in the rain. So, anyway, we're ready to start getting a roof up here. And I think it's going to turn out okay.